Why is Auramine-Rhodamine staining used for TB sputum? Imagine trying to find tiny bacteria hiding in a dark room. That's what lab technicians do when they look for tuberculosis bacteria in sputum samples. They need a way to see these bacteria clearly and quickly. Auramine-Rhodamine staining is a special method that helps make this possible. It is a fluorescent dye technique that makes the bacteria glow bright reddish yellow under a special microscope called a fluorescence microscope. This glow makes the bacteria stand out sharply against a dark background, making detection much easier. This method is used because it is highly sensitive. It can find even small numbers of bacteria in sputum samples, which is very important for early diagnosis or when bacterial load is low. Compared to older methods like the Ziehl-Neelsen stain, Auramine-Rhodamine is faster and requires less work. It does not need heat fixing, which simplifies the process and saves time. Because it is quicker, more samples can be screened in a shorter period, which is especially helpful in places with many TB cases. The fluorescent staining technique is also very specific. It binds to a component in the bacteria called mycolic acids, which are unique to mycobacteria like Mycobacterium tuberculosis. This means it can reliably highlight only the bacteria that cause TB, reducing the chances of false alarms from other microbes or artifacts. The bright contrast between the glowing bacteria and the dark background helps lab workers identify TB bacteria more accurately and efficiently. Auramine-Rhodamine staining is especially useful in high-burden settings where many samples need to be tested quickly. It allows health workers to screen large numbers of sputum samples rapidly, helping identify TB cases sooner. Once the bacteria are seen under the fluorescent microscope, further tests like the Ziehl-Neelsen stain or molecular tests can confirm the diagnosis. This layered approach ensures accurate detection and helps start treatment promptly. In summary, Auramine-Rhodamine staining is a valuable tool in TB diagnosis because it is fast, sensitive, specific, and easy to perform. It improves the ability of laboratories to detect TB bacteria early and accurately, which is crucial for controlling the spread of tuberculosis and providing timely care. Always remember, if you or someone you know is being tested for TB, it is important to follow up with healthcare professionals for proper diagnosis and treatment.